Let's see what Unreal Engine has right out of the box. Here is the third-person team play. Find this button here and click. All right, and now we are inside the game, the demo game. You need to click first, and then you can move your mouse around. Just take a look around at the character. Look how beautiful it is. Then you can walk using the W, A, S, D buttons, or the arrows. Straight to the left, to the right, and backwards, just like this. And of course, we can jump using the space button. Whoop. Okay, I'm not good in video games. I'm not. Again. Yay, I'm here. We also have these boxes that we can contact with, like this. So this is our project, and it's not empty, of course, because we didn't select the blank project. We selected the third-person team play. And remember what I said about the maximum quality for your project? If you feel like it's too much for your computer anytime, let's push escape, like this. Then go edit, project settings, target hardware, and then choose scalable instead of maximum. Okay, and you might need to restart the project after that. Okay, escape, we can click play again, and the player will be on the same position. That's because this prototype game is programmed like this. It's just designed like this. And let me show you what it has. So you can click F11 to open the full screen mode. F11 again to close it. And now I want to show you the following. Here you have this button. It says detaches from player controller, and that's what it does. If you click here, you can see that you can move around and your character is not affected. Just, you move around. If you click again, it attaches you to the player and you just moving with your player, just like this. Now, if you use Shift plus F1 buttons and click detach, what we can do, we can move around like this. We can select any object with the mouse and see details. Okay, for example, the character. And you can see that we have a lot of different things here. Right now, I just want you to know how to move from one mode to the other. So again, stop, we click play, then detach, and then we can select. So I click escape for now. You actually can see this icon, and this means that this is the point where the game starts. And it is programmed as well. For example, I can move it around like this. When you click play, the game's gonna start in the other place. Final thing that I'm gonna show you here is how we can change our objects. For example, I'm gonna click detach and then select the object. Let's take a look at these settings here, okay? There are a lot of different settings, but for now, I just want you to look at this transform section. And it's not very complicated, actually. So we have location, rotation, and scale. Location is the point where our character is, and this is 3 axes like X, Y, and Z. The rotation is the angle, and the scale is the size of the character. In this case, for example, 2, you can see that the size of the character changes like this. Let's make it bigger. Whoa, you are a big woman. Okay. So what we can do, we can attach and even move around with this big body that we now have. Just like this, and even jump. But when we click escape and play the game again, you can see that nothing has changed. That's because all the changes that you do in this mode will not be applied. And I want you to know that this character is called actor. You can also see the actor here. In Unreal Engine 5, we call it actors, okay? Actors. You also can see it here. We have the camera actor, we have text renderer actor. But for now, I just want you to get used to the language that we use here. Or for example, let's select a cube, this one, and take a look at these buttons here. So what we have is rotation, scale, and translate. For example, I can select this cube, make it bigger like this, and if I want to save these changes, I right click on it and select Keep Simulation Changes. And now when we click Stop Simulation, we can see that this cube is still big. And in the next lesson, we're going to create a new level and see how the game will look without anything.